wasn't expecting it to open this way.
What? Great.
Oh, it's coated.
Well, there's only a few options that it could be.
It's a Fujitech mod or something. Could be. That's a Fujitech war passage. It's completely dead. It's a mix. The call station is newer, so you can go ahead.
Press 2 for me.